like about flash loans which are scams. So if you run these programs on Remix which are smart contracts, then this don't work as flash loan, but they will take all your money from your wallet. So first here let me talk about flash loans, and then we will also talk about the scams like which are going on these days in the name of flash loans. So coming back, let me share my screen. So here we'll talk about flash loan. So flash loans are loans where you borrow tokens without any collateral. So it means that like you can borrow $1 million without any collateral. So how is that possible? So here a flash loan has to be borrowed and repaid within the same blockchain transaction. So if you don't pay within the same blockchain transaction, then the transaction is cancelled. So yes, flash loan is a big thing in the DeFi world. So here you can borrow and then repay within the same transaction. So let's say you borrow $1 million and then you buy tokens from one exchange, and then you sell it in other exchange and then make a profit during the transaction, and then you can repay the money like along with the interest and then keep the profit with you. So that's how a flash loan is being used. So it is simple. So here this is the lender. So let's say we lend $1 million and then we do something with it. So we buy cheap coins from one exchange and then sell it in another exchange where we get a better price, and then we keep the profit, and then we repay back the loan which you have taken, the $1 million, like along with any interest if there is, and then we keep the profit. So this is all done within the same transaction, and if you don't repay, then the transaction is cancelled and it is not executed. But so where is flash loan used? So it's used in arbitrage. Arbitrage means the same value coin, the same coin is cost, there is a price difference of the coin in different exchanges. So what you do is that you buy cheap, let's say Bitcoin, you buy cheap in one exchange and then sell it in the other exchange and then make the profit, and you take a loan and then you buy cheap and then sell it cheap and then keep the profit, as well as you also return back the loan. This is all is done within the same blockchain transaction. So here to borrow 100,000 USD from here, and then you exchange with this coin, and then so here these are the steps. Then you pay back the loan. So here you do the repayment and then you keep the remaining profits. So here you borrow, you buy in one exchange, you sell it one, you buy some coin in one exchange, you sell it in other exchange, and then you pay back the loan and then keep the profit with you. So keep the remaining profit. So that's how it is done in. Now if you search Google and put search YouTube, and if you put a flash loan arbitrage bot, so this is a bot, so you'll get a lot of videos about it. So but there are some videos which are scams. So let me talk about this video. So there is a guy whose name is Carl Crypto Coach. So this is a scammer. So he will also tell you that you can contact him over Telegram and then Discord, and he will also guide you if you are new. And then like if you do the steps and you send some money, send some crypto, and all this crypto is gone. So here it tells that you need to get MetaMask wallet. So MetaMask is a crypto wallet, as you might be aware, and then you connect the MetaMask to the Binance Smart Chain, and then you get on Remix, then you copy the then you get on Remix and then make a Solidity file and then copy and paste from this contract, and then you deploy it, and then after deploying it, the contract, so the contract is deployed, and then you send some money to this contract. So when you send some money to this contract, it automatically sends that money from the contract which I've deployed to another address. So let me go to the codes. So here we click on this link and then check out the codes here. So this codes I have put it in Remix. So this is the code. So this is the smart contract code. So these are all dummies. This doesn't do anything in the smart contract. So here it does is that like it executes this function constructor. So here there is a small code. So it imports an IPFS file. So if you go to that IPFS file, then you will notice that there is a wallet address, and this wallet address is of the scammer. So here in the video it tells that you need to compile this smart contract. So let us compile it. So after it's compiled, then so this compilation, here it is giving some error because the compiler should be as the same version as 0.5.0, the Solidity. So let me select this one, 0. Yeah. So after it is selected, we compile it. So this is done, this is compiled, and then we deploy it. So when you click on deploy, it will like automatically the MetaMask wallet will pop up, and then you can pay the gas fee in BNB, and then you copy the smart contract, and then it tells to send some money to it. So when you send some money, as you are aware, so the code is written that it will send the money from that smart contract to this address. So your money is gone. So this is the scam. So all these are common. It doesn't do anything about flash loan like which you have talked about. It doesn't do any swapping of codes. It's just a simple thing is that like it will deploy the smart contract, and there are codes written where like it will transfer the money which you have sent to that smart contract to this address I'm talking about. So here this address, if you check out in the Binance scan this one, the blockchain explorer, so you see that a lot of guys has been scammed. So this was 4 days ago, someone has been scammed. So now this guy is sending from this address to this address, so he is making a lot of BNB. So this scam has been going on for a number of days, so it's been going on almost 3 months. And here if you notice is that all the comments are good. So in YouTube, like you can disable comments, and you also put in the good comments. The good comments, someone can write it. So don't believe in all the comments you see. So you might be tempted to make a lot of money in flash loan, but it is not possible through these codes. But it is possible. You have to do some research on flash loans. So yeah, this is the scam, and so this guy has got 3 videos. So this is all about different coins. So here this is the scam about BNB, and this is about Ethereum. So a lot of people has been scammed, and he uses different addresses to collect all the scam money. So people will be sending your money, and then he will. So this is probably his address. So if you click on there, then you can see how much money it is. So he keeps on withdrawing from here. So here you can see he also withdraws, like 14 days back he has withdrawn almost 8 BNB. So this guy is making a lot of money by scamming. So this is all his address, and these are the different wallet address, So that's about. And I have checked out in Reddit also. So this scam is well known, but still people get duped. So if they learn a bit about smart contract and remix and also about flash loan, but not that fully. So they will want to try it out this codes without understanding what goes on inside. So they do the process and ultimately they send the money to him. So it doesn't do any bot. This is not a bot, this is all scam. So nothing runs on its own. So here is the code, simple code of the scam. Here, like if you put bot, so this is also on a different name, the same.
Imagine this scenario. You buy a little known cryptocurrency at $2.82 from a major exchange. The coin surges to $26.50 per coin, handing you a 9.
So the same codes are being used by different scammers and they change the address, the wallet address. But these YouTube guys are good, their videos are good. So here also, so like somebody has explained the scam,
YouTube,
how it works.
I wanted to
so be careful about all this crypto scams. So this guy is
about a new scam
tells he is from Austria,
BNB
but
flash loan arbitrage.
by checking out some
these are all
websites,
videos that
it was found that he's
week,
from Iceland.
but this has been
So
a scam that's been
be careful about this. And his this guy's
me.
English is
There's
very
a lot
good.
of
So I have
videos.
also talked with
If you
him
just search
over
BNB
Telegram,
flash loan,
and then I
over the last year there's been hundreds.
told him that like you're using this,
that showed that it's a
you're
scam,
using like you're scamming
seems
people.
to
So this
be,
is not good.
on the increase
And
in
he had
what
to
I can
block
see,
me.
the scammers are making quite a lot of money off this.
So yes,
Because
this
videos
is all
that
about
I've
flash
made
loan and
2-3
scams. So, but
days,
we'll be talking about
some of
flash
them
loans and how to make
10, 20
money with flash loans,
BNB on
where
scam.
the codes actually
so I just
work.
wanted to show how exactly
Plus,
they are
we'll also
going
be
and
talking
doing
about
this.
crypto,
So
and do follow our channel and click on the
video that came up this week,
subscribe button
they
and
all
then click on the
follow
notification
pretty much
bell
the
as well.
same
So when
format.
we make
I've never
videos,
looked at this one.
so you get notified,
32 views one
and
day.
and hope
We'll
to
see what's happening. So
make more videos in a